Why is your car's air conditioning not blowing cold air? Well, there's a number of possibilities. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Certified Master Technician. So the basic way the system works is we have Freon or refrigerant in the system. We have a compressor that circulates it inside the car into an evaporator. And that refrigerant goes out in front of the car to a condenser. And the refrigerant acts as a wheelbarrow. We load it up with heat inside the car, and then we dump the heat out outside the car. So first of all, is everything coming on? Because if we have an electrical problem, we may not have any of that stuff working. If the electricity is all working properly, we could be low on refrigerant. Without gauges and without testing procedures, that's a little tough to tell. We can sometimes have a problem if we don't have enough airflow over the front of the car, the air conditioning system can shut off. So the fans have to be working out by the radiator. Next, if everything is actually working good and the system is getting cold, but we don't have cold air, then what happens is we have something called a blend door or an air mix door. And inside your car, you have something called an evaporator. That's the part that gets cold in the air conditioning system. And then you also have a heater core, and that's the part that gets hot. Well, there's a door in there that if we want full heat, it blocks off the air through the evaporator. And if we want full cold air, it blocks off the heat off the heater. If we want something in between, it mixes the two. So you could have an air conditioning system that's creating the cold that you want, but if that door is blocking it, then you might be getting just heat. So those are all different possibilities of what's causing your air conditioning to not blow cold. And I wish I could give you a simpler answer for how you can figure it out on your own, but there's a lot of working parts there. So I hope this video has been informational for you, and until next time, safe travels to you and blessings.